Experience the thrill of driving in style with this 2022 Honda Civic Touring. This well-maintained and affordable used vehicle is equipped with a plethora of features that will enhance your driving experience. The car comes with a factory warranty for added peace of mind, and our exclusive 12-month Huggable Guarantee to ensure your satisfaction. Get ready to soak up the sun with the sunroof, never get lost with navigation, and stay cozy with leather-heated seats. Start your car remotely and effortlessly park with the rear camera and front rear park assist. Stay safe on the road with blind spot monitoring while turning heads with alloy wheels with new tires. With full financing options, zero down payment, and trade-ins accepted, we are Canada's huggable car dealer. Come take this beauty for a test drive today.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug of friendship, cause that's our whole appeal. We are Canada's huggable car dealer. Help you find your car for a deal. We're Canada's huggable car dealer. Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals. We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel.